Hi friends, welcome to Rasul Sansar channel. Have a nice day. Please like and subscribe and share my channel. The Embassy of India Kuwait in association with National Council for Culture as the Literature State of Kuwait acknowledged Namaste Kuwait at National Museum to celebrate the 16th anniversary of the diplomatic relationship between two countries. A variety of Indian cultural performance eternal in the audience, which include large number of Kuwaiti nationals, diplomats, and Indian community members. The event Namaste Kuwait brings alive the cultural heritage of India and connects the culture and people of two friendly country ambassadors said in his opening remarks. This is another effort by our two countries at further broadening the rich canvas of cultural engagement and further strengthening our already close civilization affinities and linkages. He said the event was inaugurated by Dr. Badr Dawawes, His Excellency Mr. Kamal Abdul Jalil, Secretary General, National Council of Culture, Arts and Letters, State of Kuwait, and Sri C.B. George, Indian Ambassador to Kuwait, by lighting the lamp. The event truly reflected the cultural affinity between India and Kuwait as the well-known Kuwaiti singer Mubarak al-Rasat enthralled the audience with Bollywood songs, while Indian singers Master Rohit with his melodious voice sang few Arabic songs. The Kuwaiti audience enjoyed the cultural performance by various dance teams including Bharatanatyam, classical fusion, Bollywood dance and Punjabi Bhangra dance. The two-day event will conclude on Wednesday, December 8th. The event is happening at Kuwait National Museum, Kuwait City from 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. Entry is free. 474 resident violators were arrested and referred to deportation center in the first week of this month during the period between 1st December to 7th December. This included 348 men and 126 women. Legal measures have been taken against arrested experts and will be deported from Kuwait as soon as possible under directives of the Ministry of Interior Sheikh Tamar Al Ali. MP Masuk Al Khalifa submitted a proposal to put a cap on rents in modern areas in a bid to prevent a rapid rise in rents. The bill proposes that rents in the capital and Hawali governorate must not be more than 2.5 kd per square meter and not more than 2 kd per square meter in the governorate of Farwania, Jahra, Ahmadi and Mubarak al-Kabir. However, the proposal apply only to private homes in model areas which are mostly inhabited by Kuwaiti families. A majority of the expatriates live in investment building which is not covered under his proposal. The bill must be approved by National Assembly and accepted by the government to become law. On the background of emergency of the new mutant Omicron in some countries, Kuwait witnessed an increase in demand for taking the booster dose among the citizens and residents. The Kuwait Vaccination Center in the exhibition ground in Misraf witnessed yesterday a crowd of hundreds of citizens and residents to receive the third dose. Meanwhile, Kuwait continued to improve the epidemiology situation of the coronavirus in the country. Despite the emergency of the new mutant Omicron in some countries, Kuwait recorded only 4 deaths as the result of complications from the virus in the month of November, compared to 12 cases in October and 30 deaths during September. The health minister announced on Wednesday that it had recorded the first infection of the Omicron COVID-19 variant. Speaking to Kuna, the Ministry of official spokesman Dr. Abdullah Al-Sanan said that the Omicron cases was of a traveler coming from one of the African countries which recorded an Omicron infection. The traveler had received both doses of the COVID-19 vaccine previously and now he is under institutional quarantine according to health protocols, affirmed Al-Sanad. He added that the ministry had taken necessary precautions as several nations announced the discovery of the new variant. Currently, the pandemic situation in Kuwait is stable. However, citizens and residents are advised to take the booster vaccine sought to help the ministry curb the spread of the virus, he said. He stressed that studies had shown that current vaccines were effective against the new variant. Thank you for watching.